Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use markup text editor. I'll use Blazor UI. So let's get started. Let's go to Visual Studio and let's create a project. To keep things simple, I'll create a Blazor server application. So here let's give it a name and call it Blazor UI demo, and I'll select this server app. So you can choose WebAssembly or Auto, but I will keep this and create the project. Now the project has been created. Let's close all this. Now we will install Blazor UI to our project. This is a Blazor component library, UI library. So head over to blazor.resin.com and here click get started, and below here you can see that we need to add this package in our project. So let's copy this, and here let's go to tools and NuGet package manager, manage packages. Let's go to browse and search for that resin.blazor, this one. So for my case it is 4.29.2, so I'll install this. I'll accept this license and close all this. This has been installed. Now the second step is to add this using in imports. So let's copy this using statement and go to components, and here imports underscore imports. At the end let's add this line. So after this resin.ui.demo.components, let's add using resin.blazor. So let's save this. Now the third step is to add a theme. So let's add this material based theme. Let's copy this and go to your app Blazor in case you are using Blazor server. So here I will add this after this link tag, and let's save this. Now the next step is to add a JS. So let's copy this script. After this before this script we'll add this script for the Blazor UI. Now let's save this. Now let's test this using this button. So let's copy this. I'll go to pages and home page. I'll delete this markup, paste this one. Let's run the project. So I'll select IS Express. So as you can see, it's working, it seems working. So now we will try adding the text editor here. So let's go to the documentation here and let's search for the editor components. So editor, HTML editor, this one. So you can see this is the default. So let's see the code. Copy all this by clicking here. Now let's paste it. So remove all these events, we don't need this. So let's remove these events and also these codes, we don't need an event. Now let's also close this. Now let's save this and run it again. You will see this error, this saying that cannot provide a value for dialog service. So we have to register the service Blazor component. If we go to the get started installation guide, here you will see after .NET 6 we have to add this service. So let's copy this and go to your program class here. After this line we can add this service and let's run it again. And now if we go to home, we can use this markup editor, and I think it's okay now, and we can make it large. Yes, so that's it for today. See you in the next video.